Hey, do you know how to cook? Now, if you ask me the same question, I'll tell you I know to boil eggs, make maggie, make oats, do a cup of tea or a coffee. So, these are my recipes, though my husband is a restaurant owner and perhaps I know nothing. This is the saddest part of his life. On the other hand, he wants dishes like murg musallam, parda, biryani, pani jalfrezi, and I was like, I cannot cook all this. So let's just order these online. The main reason why I didn't learn cooking was my laziness. Then I planned to hire a cook, but it is quite impossible to get a well cleaned cook nowadays, and my husband is very bitter sort of. According to me, both boys and girls should learn how to cook. Now, from all the fitness classes and the apps which is available nowadays, taught me one thing, that a home cooked food takes care of our digestive system. A good digestive system takes care of our health, and when we are healthy, we become more productive. As we become more active, productivity leads to a great career. We will get more friends, we'll make more money, and thus we become a superhero of our story. For becoming superwomen, we need to manage both our career and our kitchen simultaneously. Now I'm going to share my transition from a bowl of Maggie to a hundi biryani. Before it, if you like me or my work, then please hit the like button. To subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get notified when the new video drops. Now it is time to up my game. I'll call it YouTube cooking. Now I want to win my husband's heart. So I started searching for biryani. I watched 4 to 5 videos. My aim is to find a biryani recipe that is neither too complicated nor too simple. Now let's begin the biryani story. Biryani is one dish which is generally preferred by everyone. Be it any occasion, a birthday or a get together at home or any sort of family functions, everybody loves to eat biryani. And my husband is a biryani poka. Now it's all about following the instructions which I followed in the YouTube to the dot. I first get all the ingredients ready, lined up in order, and then the cooking begins. I had already prepared and kept the rice aside. I had prepared the rice earlier, it is half done. While boiling, I had added the whole spices in a clean white cloth, added a little bit of desi ghee, added a little bit of salt to the rice, and after that I started preparing the chicken, added some alus with biryanis and chicken. So here is the list of spices what I have added. For that I took a kilo of chicken and added 1.5 cup of curd, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of coriander powder seed, a tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt. Meanwhile, I prepared the onion beresta of 5 medium size onions and kept them aside also. After the chicken and the rice is done, I started preparing the layers of the chicken and the rice. I'm not going to lie, it takes a little bit more effort than usual. A bowl of Maggie or a bowl of chicken clear soup, and so I reserved this only for his birthday, that is on 7th of November. But it's all worth the effort because in the end, the dish turns out to be pretty great actually. And For that, I cannot thank the cooking channels enough, especially one of my friends' channel, Happy Belly, Happy Family, and the lady I absolutely adore is Mrs. Shoma Konar. She is literally the one who taught me 70% of the cooking that I know now. So if you want to learn how to cook, then go to our channel and subscribe right away. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me.